Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video I would like to show you how I do a sticker pack for Redbubble. A sticker pack for Redbubble that includes 6 stickers and it gives the customer the best value for the price. I'm going to go on Canva and I'm going to create a sticker pack and I'm going to show you step by step how to do so. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. We do daily videos talking about my passive income journey on Redbubble, writing on Medium and Vocal, and also other tips and strategies on using Amazon KDP. So please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. I'm here in Canva and I have Canva Pro. That's why you can see me using some of the Canva Pro images. But if you would like to start with a free account, you're able to do so using free images that are just as good, or even elements as well. So start off here by going to create a design, and the size that I use for t-shirts, stickers and sticker packs and phone cases, so the main sizing that I use is 5000 pixels times 5000 pixels. Now I do have it here as part of the default sizing, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. If you don't have it, you can just type it 5000 times 5000, select the pixels and open a new document. Now the first thing we want to do when the new document is opened, we want to go to the elements section and we want to click on frames. Look through, scroll down until you see frames, click on that and you will have a selection of different frames. Now everyone will like their stickers to be a different way. Some people like it to be a square, a circle, a bubble, or even like a messy square with some lines coming out of it. So everyone's different. You can also see what is trending on Redbubble at the moment. I usually like to do it simple. I either do a basic circle or I do the circle with the like little bubble thing coming out. So let's scroll down to frames and look at the frame section that we would like to select. Now feel free to select whatever frame you are comfortable with. I'm just doing it for the simplicity of it, and it's because I would like to create a template that I can share with you guys, so then after the video you can go ahead and download the template, open it up on Canva using the link that I have. It's free for you. I'm giving this away for anyone that's watching the video, and then you can even start by creating your own sticker pack using the template, the exact template that I'm using. So you will find the link in the description box below. So I've selected this one, and this is one of the best ones that I used, and I find that the sizing in the sticker works perfectly for it. So I'm going to go ahead and resize it to the way that I want, because I want this document to fill 9 stickers in one document. So create the best value for the customer. I know there will be smaller stickers, but there will be different sizes as well available in the Redbubble online shop, so the customers can select different sizes for the sticker pack that they want. So I've created 3 right here. I made sure that they were separated apart from each other because we want to make these into a transparent PNG document afterwards. So make sure that you have the separate sizes from each frame away from each other. Now if you're using the template that I'm doing right now, which I've tested for you guys ahead of time, and I know it works and I know that it's the exact right sizing, then you can just don't worry about this step right here and just go ahead and open the link, the Canva link for this template. So then again, 3 by 3 by 3, you get 9 stickers, and you could do whatever you want. You could go to, as soon as you have it set up, or as soon as you open that link that I have in the description box below, you can head to elements or even to the photo section, and you can create theme stickers. You can have a different sticker in each frame, or you can create the same sticker but provide 9 pack 9 stickers in one document. So you can do it up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and create different stickers for each frame to show you how things can be done, and also to provide some variety for customers as well. And I find that works best when you offer customers different stickers in one sticker pack. So as soon as I've done the sizing right here, I'm going to go ahead and select some cat based images. Now these images are for commercial use. You can also feel free to add some filters on top to make it super unique and to make it your own. You can add some text as well, but make sure that whatever you add to the sticker, as soon as you've inserted it into the frame, it's inside the frame, whatever it is. If it's a filter, if it's another element, if it's a text, make sure that it is inside each of the frames and not outside, because we want to make sure that there's a gap in between each of the frames, because that's going to be the clear space that separates each sticker from another. So you can go ahead and create whatever image or whatever theme you want. I'm just going to make it super simple and go to the elements, click on type in cat. Make sure that I have the frames option removed, because nothing will open if I have the frames open. So I'm going to type in cat, select a couple of few images right here, and just drag them into each of the frame. Make sure to find some interesting images, some funny ones, some cute ones as well. Create a blend. Also, you can also add some text, but I won't do so in this video. I want to keep it short and simple for you guys for the sake of this video. As you can see, these things don't work. Some of the images, as well as they're not designed to be placed in frames. Some are designed, so just experiment, take your time, select a couple of really cute and funny ones. If you want to create Halloween themed ones, if you want to create event based ones like Christmas or birthdays, then just get as creative or as minimalistic as you can. And I'm just going to speed this up, add a couple of few images, just experiment with a couple of few, and I'll see you as soon as it's done. Now that we've done selecting the images or elements that we want inside our stickers, I'm going to go ahead and download it. Go up and click on share. Make sure to select a PNG document and click on the checkbox that says transparent, because that ensures that whatever white space there is just going to be transparent, and it's going to be separating each of the frames, which makes this a sticker pack. So I'm going to go ahead and download this and upload it to Redbubble to show you what it looks like. And this is how it turned out as a PNG transparent document. I'm going to go ahead and upload it to Redbubble. Scroll down to stickers. Now I am speeding this up, and as you can see, under stickers we have stickers and magnets. Each of the stickers is separated. I'm going to insert a link to the free template that I made for you guys in the description box below. Open it up in Canva and start your own sticker packs. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.